Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to make Kesar Phirni. For the recipe, I will need a liter of whole fat milk, and then I will need about 100 grams of soaked basmati rice, which I am going to grind into a fine paste. And then I will need 50 grams of castor sugar, 50 grams of khoya or mawa, about a teaspoon of ghee, little bit of saffron, and a stick of cinnamon, and about 1 to 2 pieces of green cardamom. Now to start the recipe, I will turn on the gas on a medium flame. And put this pot over it and add the milk. Now to this, I will add just a little bit of ghee, about a teaspoon. A stick of cinnamon and 2 green cardamoms. And I will let it come to a boil. The milk will take some time to boil, so in that time I will just grind the rice into a fine paste. Now the milk has started to simmer. To this I will add the rice paste. And the idea is to cook the rice in this milk. This should take around 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll just let this cook for a while. And to this, I'll also grate some khoya, around 50 grams of khoya. This will make the phirni even richer. Grams of khoya. Now I'll just let this simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now the phirni is almost ready. So to this I'll add the sugar. I am adding 50 grams of castor sugar. You can increase or decrease the quantity of the sugar as per your taste. To this, I will also add a few strands of saffron. Now I will let this cook for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. Right? And phirni should be served cold, right? So you can pour it in a earthen pot, then chill it in the refrigerator and serve it after 5 to 6 hours.